Dude. Yo, I'm trying to fish. Come on now. Get. I'll catch you a white trout or something. You better not hit my boat. All right, y'all, we got a decent fish on here. On the finger mullet. Looks like a little trout. Nope, a little redfish. Did I snag him? Okay, no. It's in his mouth, but he's kind of wrapped up there. I was messing with my motor. I'm actually almost ran aground right here. A little rat red. Pretty good sign though. I'm just worried that I ain't gonna be able to get out of this bayou. It's about 12 inches of water right here. I just casted this cork out while I was seeing what the depth was. Throw him back. If I can get one of these dang finger mullet out of this live well. Come on now. We'll try one of these fish. I don't know what this is. Yeah, it is very shallow right here, y'all. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a foot deep right here. But I just cast it out and got that fish, so we're gonna see if we can't get another bite here. Yeah, I think I'm aground right now. Because we ain't even moving. Not good. Okay, we're slowly moving, so we're not completely aground. Oh, there's a cork. He's gone. Oh, did he come off? There he is. Oh, that was a better fish right there. That was a lot better fish. I think he broke me. All right, guys, so I just lost that last fish. I don't think I had my drag set right. I had it too tight. So I tied back on. Still using the popping cork with about 2.5 foot leader. We're just fishing the mouth of this bayou right here. It's very shallow, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to fish it because the tide is dropping right now. I am using this Penn Spinfisher 3500 with a 7-foot Penn Squadron 3 rod, 20-pound braid. We're just casting this popping cork out, kind of popping it every couple seconds. Come on, redfish, where'd you go? It is a little bit deeper over here. I was on the wrong side of the channel, so the little channel is right over here. It's about 2.5, 3 foot. I don't come over here very often, so that's why I like to come try new spots. That way you'll know stuff like that. Oh, something just went after it. Come on, grab it. There it goes. Come on, take it. Got him. Ah, small trout. It's fish though. Small trout. Wanted that finger mullet. It looked a lot bigger whenever he tried to chase it. Little pretty trout. We're looking for your mama. Try one of these little small pogies that I caught this morning. This is candy. Perfect size bait there. Right on the point, right there. Oh, there we go. Another small trout, I think. Got a little size to him. Little, oh yeah, that's a keeper trout there, y'all. Yeah, did y'all see that? That was a good trout. That's what I get for trying to yeet these fish in the boat. Oh, there we go. Oh no, he's in the grass. Oh no. Yo, I had just casted to that fish. I seen him come up in that grass and eat. I don't know if this is a red or a trout. It's red. I thought I seen something come up and eat some bait. Come on, that's a good slot. Oh yeah. See if we can yeet him in the boat without losing him. Oh, that's a beautiful redfish. Come here, buddy. You know, I should probably get the net. That would be the smart thing to do. Come on. Oh, we got it. We got it. There we go. Look at that pretty red, y'all. We got some spots on him. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 spots. We're gonna take him home for dinner using that size 8 treble hook. See what he measures. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, about 21-inch redfish there. We'll just throw him in the live well. Oh yeah, that was on a finger mullet. Let's put another finger mullet on, see if we can get another one. All right, y'all, I seen that red come right up there in the grass and bust on some bait. So I pitched right to him and it didn't take long, he grabbed it. Oh, there's one right over there I just seen bust. Right over there. Oh yeah, he'll come to it, hopefully. This thing I love about that popping cork, y'all. Even if you didn't make the perfect cast, you start popping that cork, they'll come to it. Oh, there, grabbed it. Something grabbed it. Yep, what'd I tell y'all? Come on. Oh, that's a good one. Come on. Another good one. Loosen that drag up some. Ooh, yeah. About the same size, about 20-incher. Come on, buddy. Yeet! Look at that, I got mullet jumping everywhere out of my live well. Nice, another good braid. That's what he ate right there, finger mullet. All right, y'all, there's another red there. I bet he's about the same size. Yep, he's about 20 inches. We're gonna throw him in the live well as well. Perfect eating size, not too big. Get another one of these finger mullet so they quit jumping out of my live well. Yeah, I seen that redfish come right up through this little bayou here and bust on some bait, and I casted right to him. Took about 10 seconds and he came and got my bait. See if there's another one there. I like to have that drag kind of tight at first just to kind of hoss him away from that grass, and then once I get him closer to the boat, I'll loosen the drag up some. Oh, there it goes. While I'm trying to mess with my trolling motor. He's on. He's on. There's a little trout. Another small trout. He's not going to be a keeper. He's pretty though. Throw him back. I was reeling it in, a little trout grabbed it. Baby trout, baby. Almost looks like a white trout. Oh, geez. Really? Nasty. Gaff top. Snagged him. Come on, get off. Oh, that slime on my line. Oh, there it goes. That's something small. Little trout. The only big trout I caught so far I lost right at the boat. That's a pretty trout though. Y'all, there's a little alligator sitting right over there. I see his head sticking out of the water. Not sure if y'all can see him or not. All I see is his head. Little baby. He's about a 3-footer, 2-footer. What's up, buddy? You want my cork? Oh! Woo! Here's a mullet. There you go. I just threw you a mullet. He wants something bigger. That ain't enough. There's another alligator right up there. Oh no, you going to my cork. He wants that cork. Look at him. Oh, he going to it. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all, he won't leave me alone now. He won't leave me alone. I done fed him like 2 mullet already. You better not hit my boat. Bob, you've got to go. You've got to go. Dude. Yo, I'm trying to fish. Come on now. Get. I'll catch you a white trout or something. Bob, you can't follow me. I don't have anything for you. I done fed you like 3 mullet. What we got here? A little shark. Not what I want. I think that's a sign to move spot.